Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a pair of scissors. So to start off with our scissors, we're going to begin right here on our paper. And starting here, I'm just going to draw a diagonal line like this. Then, starting right here, I'm going to curve this line and I'm going to draw it just right along that same line that I drew here. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to draw it a little farther up. And then I'm going to make a big kind of oval shape like this. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm just going to curve it up and connect it right to here. It's going to kind of look like a spoon a little bit. Then, starting up here, I'm going to draw another diagonal line that goes down like this. Then, starting right here, I'm going to curve it up and then just draw it the same direction as that other line. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes straight out. And then I'm just going to curve it down and then up like this. Then in here, I'm going to draw an oval shape. And then in here, I'm going to draw another kind of oval shape. Then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line. And then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line just to make it look a little more three-dimensional. Then right here, I'm going to make a small curved line. And then I'm going to draw a little circle in here. Then to make it look a little more three-dimensional, starting right here, I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves up to here. And then starting here, I'm just going to do the same thing and then bring it all the way to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a pair of scissors. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.